When do I plant azaleas outdoors? Azaleas are commonly planted outside during the spring and fall. Container-grown azaleas are placed in the ground whenever the soil is workable, as long as there is plenty of water to keep the root area moist. Advantages: azaleas ready for spring planting are usually in flower, so you can see what the shrub will look like. Fall-planted azaleas have the time to establish their roots before the extreme heat of summer arrives. Disadvantages: azaleas planted in the spring need regular watering until fall to survive the summer heat. Fall-planted azaleas are not in bloom, so you do not know what the blossom actually looks like until next year. Warning: azaleas grown in containers may be root-bound when purchased. Check the roots to see if they are circling the root ball. If they are, make 4 equally spaced cuts 1/4 inch deep to encourage the roots to grow outward. Gently spread the roots out when placing the azalea bush in its planting hole.